today. Wait. Oh, whoa. There's a bee. A bee. He just, look. This is a bee. Can you see the bee? He's collecting honey. So he can make honey out of the nectar that he's collecting. This is the flower. This is the national flower of Sri Lanka. And it's very beautiful. Oh look, there's a baby. He's flying away. He's scared of me because he's flying away and he's come back. These two are collecting nectar to make honey from their beehive. Oh, look, he's like collecting the nectar from his mouth. Oh, look, can you see it? He's collecting nectar. This is a water lily. It's the national flower of Sri Lanka. Look, there's some. Oh, this has some wings that make him fly. Look, he's flying right now. He's flying. Okay, guys, this is a yellow. This is yellow, and this is the round part. Oh, he's gone. Please like and subscribe to SNK Vlogs. Bye.